Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make super easy egg tart. Click the description for complete list of ingredients and instructions. 注釋裏面有中文食譜。You may find frozen tart shells in all grocery stores. Preheat oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Beat eggs. As an option, you may brush the rim of the tart shells with beaten eggs. My frozen tart shells are pretty small, so this recipe can yield about 30 egg tarts. Mix the sugar with about 150 grams of water. Heat up in microwave to melt the sugar. Mix sugar liquid with the rest of water, but save about 50 grams. Mix this 50 grams of water with custard powder. Add vanilla and milk. Mix well. Mix custard milk, egg mixture, and sugar water together. Mix well. Sieve the mixture 2 times. Remove bubbles and crumbs. Ensure the mixture is smooth, then pour it into the tart shells. Bake at 355 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. Turn the baking pan 180 degrees, then bake at 325 for another 9 minutes. The egg tarts are ready to serve. Enjoy!